Hey everybody, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a great day. So I just wanted to come on here real quickly and just make a simple statement, right? Whatever you're meant to learn in life, if you don't learn it, it will repeat itself. And sometimes people wonder why they keep meeting the same type of person, or going through the same type of experiences, or getting the same type of job. And you're having those same experiences over and over again, and you're getting mad at the other people, you're complaining, and you're not asking yourself, what did I learn from this situation? You're saying, he did this to me, she did this, that to me, they did this, and they did that, right? But you're not learning your lesson. And that's why the same thing keeps happening over and over again. You can't allow it to make you angry, right? What did you learn from it? Because everything has a lesson. Or again, history will repeat itself. And it's not that you're meeting the same type of people. It's that you're not learning whatever lesson you needed to learn, or whatever lesson you were supposed to learn. You keep going through the same thing and blaming other people and trying to make other people feel bad, and you're allowing it to make you bitter, right? And angry and jaded and hurt and fearful. But what did you learn? Not what he, she, they did, it, what, who's he, what's it. No, that's not the answer. If you're mad at somebody who did something 30 years ago, it's you, it's not them. Why are you still angry? What did you need to learn from that situation? And why are there people in your life who still do the same things that that person did 30 years ago? What is in you that's making you still hold on to that and be hurt and upset and angry to the point where you still have to talk about it? Or you feel like you want to get revenge on somebody for it. Or you still want to, you got to tell them about theyself, or I'm going to let them know, or, you have to concern yourself with what they're doing, or, think that they're not being their authentic selves because they're moved on. If somebody doesn't want to be with you, why do you want to be with them? Do you know your worth? Are you honoring yourself? Do you realize that there is someone else? And I know that people make promises or say that they're going to do something and they don't keep their word. Yes, but that's not on you. That's on them as a person. So why would you want to be with somebody who doesn't keep their word? If it bothers you that much. Why would you want to be with somebody who cheats and dishonors you? Why would you want to be with someone who was abusive in some way? Verbally, mentally, emotionally, physically, financially? If you think it's about intimacy, maybe there's something deeper that's going on. Because why do you feel like you have to get intimacy from somebody who did wrong by you? Come on. Was playing frog with somebody in traffic. They didn't know whether or not they wanted to go. Anyway, sorry about that. So, why would you want to be with somebody like that? You do deserve love. You do deserve better. You do deserve someone who can be honest. But why do you feel like you don't deserve it to the point where you feel like you have to hold on to somebody who did you wrong and did you dirty, and that you still have to hold on to grudges and be vengeful and spiteful and angry and fearful? Let your guard down. Learn how to love again. And that's it. That's my 2 cents. Love y'all. Later.